Good evening, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about critical WordPress plugin vulnerability, Nubia, Z60 Ultra launch, Zerodha, CEOs, deepfake warning, ZNet Technologies, and Akamai partnership and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Critical vulnerability in the WordPress plugin backup migration with over 90,000 installs has been discovered. The vulnerability is rated 9.8 out of 10 in severity. Attackers can exploit it for remote code execution via PHP code injection through the /include/backup_heart.php file. Successful exploitation allows attackers to fully compromise vulnerable websites. All versions of the plugin up to and including backup migration 1.3.6 are impacted. The bug was reported by the Next team to WordFans under a bug bounty program. Users are advised to update the plugin to the latest version 1.3.7 to address the vulnerability. Next we have Samsung is globally rolling out the One UI 6 update for most compatible Galaxy smartphones. The update covers various Galaxy devices starting with the Galaxy S21 series. The update size for non-beta users is around 2.3 GB, while beta users receive a 354 MB build. The update is being rolled out gradually and users can manually check for it in device settings. Samsung Galaxy S21 receives its third major update, promising ongoing software support. The device is expected to receive an Android 15 update next year. Samsung provides 4 years of software updates for its devices. Nubia is set to unveil the Nubia Z60 Ultra in China on 19 December. The smartphone will be available in 3 colors: black, silver and blue. The device features a full screen display without a punch hole or notch. Unique design for the rear camera setup with a periscope zoom camera unit. The edges of the phone are flat, featuring volume rocker, power button and an alert slider. Different rear panel designs for black, white and blue variants. Initial launch in China with availability in other markets to follow. Zerodha CEO Nitin Kamath voices concerns about generative AI and deepfakes in the financial services industry. Challenges in verifying customer identities due to improving deepfake technology. Kamath delivers the message through a video and then reveals it's a deepfake. Deepfakes could pose challenges in customer onboarding, especially for banks with strict regulatory requirements. Kamath emphasizes the growing threat of AI-generated content and deepfakes. Kamath's video message itself is a demonstration of a deepfake AI avatar. Deepfakes could impact sectors with stringent identity verification requirements. ZNet Technologies announces a distribution partnership with Akamai, becoming the first official distributor of Akamai cloud computing services in India. ZNet integrates Akamai's cloud computing services into its offerings for enhanced digital solutions. The collaboration involves Akamai Connected Cloud providing edge and cloud platform services for computing, security and content delivery. Akamai's cloud services aim to accelerate innovation for developers and enterprises. Akamai services offer flexibility, support and trust in building, deploying, securing and scaling applications. ZNet emphasizes providing exceptional digital solutions through the partnership, redefining the digital landscape in India. The collaboration is expected to bring cost savings and improve performance for clients. Next we have Microsoft announces the availability of the Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta app for Meta Quest devices. The app is compatible with Meta Quest 2, 3 or Pro headset devices. Users can stream games without the need for a console or TV. The Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta app can be downloaded from the Meta Quest store. Users can pair supported controllers for gaming including Xbox, PlayStation and Nintendo Switch Pro controllers. The app offers a variety of display sizes and an Xbox-themed virtual space for an immersive gaming experience. The app is now available for download, expanding gaming possibilities for Meta Quest users. At last, Google introduces Duet AI, an AI-powered enhancement for security operations following the earlier implementation in workspace apps. Duet AI is set to be available for general availability GA early next year. This initiative mirrors Microsoft's Copilot and aims to enhance productivity in security operations. Google Cloud announces the general availability GA of Duet AI for developers. Duet AI becomes one of the first two Google Cloud offerings to reach general availability status. Duet AI shares similarities with Microsoft's Copilot, focusing on providing AI assistance for developers and security operations. Duet AI in security operations empowers teams responsible for online security. It accelerates threat detection, investigation, and response using generative AI capabilities. The capability incorporates security intelligence, including Mandiant's frontline intelligence on vulnerabilities, malware, and threat indicators. Security teams can search vast amount of data in seconds using Duet AI. Custom queries generated from natural language further enhance the efficiency of threat detection. Duet AI helps reduce time-consuming reviews in security operations. Automatic summaries of case data and alerts enable teams to quickly find critical context, improving overall response times. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना। फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।